Not much I can tell of this. See, definitely we are working on certain critical aspects. We have got our life sciences soldier support systems labs, and therein there are a lot of activities are happening on the Gaganyaan. There are one or two points that you see. One was on the food. We have got the specialized food which is required for the Gaganyaan. If we talk about our specialized systems for parachutes, we have got specialized technologies for our astronauts who are there inside, who can be dependent on our own systems and products, our own technologies. DRDO has definitely we worked it for our armed forces, but we got to find dual use of those all those technologies which are required for the ISRO programs. And when we had a together discussions, DRDO has come forward that we will support you for. So many of these technologies has been developed, tested, and has been collaborated with ISRO. And I'm sure with the Gaganyaan programs launching soon, DRDO will have a piece there. Yes. I think a lot of very good results have come up. I can tell you on the very first phase, on the phase one and phase two results when we tested, it has come out to be very good. And I think both ISRO and DRDO together have working on it, and we have got a good satisfaction levels from them. But however, having said that, still some more work is left. I think there is a time in the program, and DRDO should be able to mature soon and come up with the expectation. No, as I said, the results in the laboratories which have tested, results have been tested in a little external environments also. And I think a lot of satisfactions have come on the results. Much of the results, of course, I will not be able to share with you today, but be sure there is a part of DRDO in the Gaganyaan program, and we will be more happy to contribute much more to the ISRO program. See, Shuraksha Kavach, as I said, the phase one we have demonstrated in the laboratory and in the test range. It has been shown forward with all the capable technologies has been brought forward together. Whether you talk about surveillance with the radar, whether you talk about the deep surveillance with electro-optics, when we are talking about our IFF algorithms which have already matured and developed, and whenever we talk about our attack capability with regard to the short-range missiles and lasers and EW systems and the direct RF radiations, this has been tested. Now, this is what is the phase one. Now, phase two, as you say, we have to scale up the range because phase one is for the limited protections of the critical assets. But phase two happens to be our dream is to protect our entire country. So that's Chakra is to protect the entire nation. So to that extent, you have to have long range surveillance, you should have deep space surveillance, you should have long range missile systems. So in piecemeal in different verticals, DRDO is working on those programs. But soon we are going to combine all of them. And I think in phases the products will come out. It will be visible to all of you. I think we have set a deadline, and I think much before that we are so confident we should be able to deliver.